Hi guys, for today, camera and signal review naman tayo sa ITEL S23 na phone. If bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please consider subscribing po. Thank you. Okay guys, so camera review tayo. As you can see, 50MP yung back cam niya. Ayan yung kuha ko sa back cam niya. So, video yan ng aso namin na si Coco. Introducing Coco Martin Charis. So, ayan guys. As you can see, maganda yung kuha niya, yung back cam niya. Kasi nga, di ba, 50MP. So, why not? And then, ayan, may pa-cute pang nalalaman si Coco. Ayan guys, super behave niya nung kinunan ko siya. So, ayan. And then, yung ano naman, next is yung front cam niya. Ayan. So, you can really tell na malayo ang difference. Malaki yung difference niya sa back cam at saka sa front cam niya. Kasi nga, alam niyo yung color ni Coco is super brown. And then, makikita niyo dyan is parang, parang nag-lighten yung color ni Coco. Ito naman yung kuha kong picture guys sa front. And then, ito naman sa back cam niya. Ayan. So, malaki yung difference talaga. And then, another video ulit. So, back cam ulit ito. And then, front. Ayan guys. So, kayo na ang humusga. Charis. So, this video is inspired by our commenter na si Sir Jeffrey 1253 saying ITEL S23 imong gamit na cam. So, ibig sabihin nun is ITEL ba daw yung ginamit ko na cam? Yes sir! Tama po kayo. ITEL yung ginamit ko. And next commenter naman natin is si Miss Rowena Morales 7459 saying malakas po ba siya sumagap ng signal sa Wi-Fi at mobile data ma'am? Ayan guys. So, I'll show you kung gaano kalakas or kabagal kumuha ng signal si ITEL S23, okay? So, guys, as you can see, I'm using TP-Link. So, wala kaming own na internet connection kasi nasira nung bagyong Odette, guys. So, wala kaming own internet and nakikiconnect lang kami ngayon sa kabilang bahay which is sa mama ko, okay? And now guys, let's see kung mabilis siyang sumagap ng signal. Okay. So, again, I'm using TP-Link. Wala kaming own na internet connection. Ayan. So, connected na siya. And there you can see na full bars yung natin, yung Wi-Fi connection natin, guys. 'Di ba? Parang may own internet lang din. Tapos sa data naman guys, okay din naman siya. Although, hindi ako nakapag-screen record. But so far, nung nakaraang araw kasi yun, may load ako noon. And then, yeah, okay naman yung data niya. Wala akong problema din. Tapos next commenter naman natin ay si Sir Pete Balls 5. Sabi niya, sabi ng ilan di daw accurate ang location at pag nagde-data, mahina sumagap. Ano experience nyo? Yun. Now naman guys, i-check natin kung tama yung location. So, I mentioned guys, nung previous videos ko na I'm a virtual assistant full-time and may ginagamit kami dalawang apps and nagre-require siya ng location and also selfie guys. And yeah, tama naman yung binibigay na location ni ITEL. And ayan guys, as you can see, ito yung ginagamit na front cam to guys, of course. So, walang halong chemical or napaka-organic. No filter is what I meant. So, yes, need natin i-save yung attendance. Ayan. So, tama yung location na binibigay, guys. So, save natin yung attendance natin baka, para hindi tayo absent for today's video. And now, next up naman, which is itong Connect Team. Itong Connect Team is nag-require lang actually ng location. So, ayan. Open natin yung app. Oh, there guys. As you can see, nag 1 year ako. Work anniversary ko ng August 8. So, yes. Yan, nag-require siya ng location. And tama naman yung pin na location. Ayan, guys. So, there. Tama. For me, so far so good talaga yung idol. Based sa experience ko. Okay. Oh guys, if bago ka pa lang sa channel ko or nabadaan ka lang, please consider subscribing po. Libre lang po mag-subscribe. And yes guys, I'd like to say thank you sa lahat ng mga nakapanood na nung previous video natin. Umabot lang naman siya ng 1.9k views. Hindi ko po in-expect yun. And yeah, thank you so much. And I'll leave the link sa description box to those hindi pa nakapanood. Go ahead guys, panoorin nyo. And yeah, if you have any comment, go ahead. Kung anong gusto nyo makita sa next video natin, just feel free to comment, like, share, and subscribe. I guess that's all. Bye for now.